Hi, here's how you can place a cover order on Kotak Neo app. Select the stock you want to place an order for. Click on Buy or Sell button. Here in the order form, switch on to the Intraday tab. Select your order type and then select the product type as cover order. Now, define the buying price, quantity and the stop loss trigger price. Once done, swipe to buy. That's it. Your cover order has been successfully placed. Click on View Order to check your order status under the Open Positions tab. Click on the Order Status drop-down for complete details. This is how you can place a cover order on Kotak Neo app. We hope you found this video helpful. If you have any doubts or queries, then please leave them in the comment section below and we will get back to you. Thank you.
Investments in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.